Part A, question and answers. Unit 2, Vector Calculus. First question. Find the maximum directional derivative of phi is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square at the point 1 minus 2 1. Solution. Given phi is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square, del phi is equal to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. I vector into dou phi by dou x. So differentiating this function partially with respect to x. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So that 2x yz plus differentiation of x is 1. So that 4z square plus j vector into dou phi by dou y. Differentiating this function phi partially with respect to y, we get x square z plus 0. There is no y variable here, so this is constant. So differentiation of this constant term is 0 plus k vector into dou phi by dou z. Differentiating phi partially with respect to z, that is x square y. Differentiation of z is 1. So x square y plus 4x into 2z becomes 8xz. So this is your del phi. Now del phi at the point 1 minus 2 1 is equal to, put x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 and z equal to 1. In the del phi we get I vector into minus 4 plus j vector into 1 plus k vector into minus 2 plus 8. Finally we get j vector plus 6k vector. Therefore maximum directional derivative is equal to modulus of del phi, which is equal to root of 1 square plus 6 square, which is equal to root of 1 plus 36 root of 37. Next question. Find the unit normal to the surface x square plus xy plus z square is equal to 4 at the point 1, minus 1, 2. Let phi is equal to x square plus xy plus z square is minus 4. Taking this plus 4 to left hand side, we get x square plus xy plus z square minus 4. Del phi is equal to I vector into dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. I vector into dou phi by dou x. Differentiating phi partially with respect to x, we get 2x plus y. Dou phi by dou y. Differentiating phi partially with respect to y, we get x. Because the first term is x square constant, so 0, and this is differentiation of xy with respect to y is x, and differentiation of z square is 0 minus 4, that is differentiation of this constant term is also 0. So we get dou phi by dou y is equal to x, and dou phi by dou z. Differentiating this partially with respect to z, we get this is 0 and this is 0 plus 2z. So differentiation of phi partially with respect to z is equal to 2z. So this is your del phi. Substitute the point 1 minus 1 2 in del phi, we get I vector into 2 minus 1 plus j vector into 1 plus k vector into 4. So I vector plus j vector plus 4k vector. Now find modulus del phi, which is equal to square root of 1 square plus 4 square, that is I component is 1, so 1 square, j component is also 1, so 1 square, plus k component is 4, so 4 square. So we get root of 18. So formula, unit normal vector n cap is equal to del phi divided by modulus of del phi, which is equal to I vector plus j vector plus 4k vector divided by root of 18. Next problem. Find the directional derivative of phi is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1 in the direction 2i vector minus j vector minus 2k vector. Solution. Given phi is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square, del phi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z. Now dou phi by dou x, differentiating this phi partially with respect to x, we get 2x yz plus 4z square. Dou phi by dou y, differentiating this partially with respect to y, we get x square z, and dou phi by dou z is x square y plus 4x into 2z becomes 8xz. So x square y plus 8xz. So this is your del phi vector. Now find out a del phi at the point 1, minus 2, minus 1. That means put x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 and z equal to minus 1 in the del phi, which is equal to I vector into 4 plus 4 plus j vector into minus 1 plus k vector into minus 2 minus 8. So which is equal to 8i vector minus j vector minus 10k vector. Now given a vector equal to 2i minus j minus 2k, take down this vector is a vector. Find out modulus of a vector, which is equal to root of 2 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. So I component is 2, j component is minus 1 and k component is minus 2. So squaring and adding, which is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So the formula for directional derivative in the direction a vector is equal to del phi dot a vector by modulus a vector, which is equal to del phi 8i minus j minus 10k dot 2i minus j minus 2k. Modulus of a vector is 3. Taking dot product between these two vectors, we get 8 into 2 16, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 10 into minus 2 plus 20, which is equal to 37 by 3. Similar problem. Find the unit normal to the surface x square plus y square minus z at the point 1, 2, 5. Solution. Let phi is equal to x square plus y square minus z. Del phi is equal to I vector dou phi by dou x plus j vector dou phi by dou y plus k vector dou phi by dou z, which is equal to I vector into 2x. So differentiation partially with respect to x, we get 2x. Dou phi by dou y, differentiating partially with respect to y, we get 2y, and dou phi by dou z, differentiating this partially with respect to z, we get minus 1. So 2xi plus 2yj minus k vector. Now del phi at the point 1, 2, 5, which is equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector minus k vector by putting x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 5 in del phi. Modulus of del phi is equal to square root of 2 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to root of 21. Therefore n cap equal to del phi divided by modulus of del phi, which is equal to 2i plus 4j minus k divided by root of 21. Next problem, prove that del square log r is equal to 1 by r square. Let r vector equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Modulus of r vector is r, which is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides, we get r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating this r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square partially with respect to x, y and z respectively. First, I differentiate partially with respect to x. So differentiation of r square is 2r into dou r by dou x, which is equal to 2x. Cancel the constant 2 on both sides. R dou r by dou x equal to x. Dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Now, left hand side, del square log r is equal to dou square by dou x square log r plus dou square by dou y square log r plus dou square dou z square log r. That means your del square is Laplace operator. The Laplace operator del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square operating with log r. So we get this result, equation 1. You take down, this is equation 1. Now I find out dou square by dou x square log r. That means differentiation of log r, differentiating log r partially with respect to x 2 times. So 1 by 1 we differentiating this log r partially with respect to x. So first time integration dou by dou x of differentiation of this log r is 1 by r. Differentiation of log r is 1 by r into dou r by dou x. Put dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Put dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. So 1 by r into x by r becomes x by r square. Again differentiating partially with respect to x. Now I differentiating this x by r square by using u by v rule. The rule is v u dash minus u v dash by v square, quotient rule. So take down, this is u and this is v, r square is v. So now v, that is r square, into u dash, so differentiation of x is 1 minus u, that is x, v dash, differentiation of r square is already we know 2r into dou r by dou x. Again put dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Cancel this r, we get r square minus 2x square divided by r power 4. So therefore dou square by dou x square log r value is r square minus 2x square divided by r power 4. Similarly, dou square by dou y square log r is equal to r square minus 2y square divided by r power 4. Dou square by dou z square log r is equal to r square minus 2z square divided by r power 4. So substitute all the three derivatives in equation 1. Left hand side is del square log r is equal to r square minus 2x square divided by r power 4 plus r square minus 2y square by r power 4 plus r square minus 2z square by r power 4. In the denominator r power 4 is common, take down as a r power 4 common denominator. So adding the numerator r square minus 2x square plus r square minus 2y square plus r square minus 2z square. So we get 3r square minus 2 into x square plus y square plus z square, taking minus 2 as a common. Now put x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square here. So we get 3r square minus 2r square by r power 4. So r square by r power 4 is equal to 1 by r square. Hence our proof is over. Del square log r is equal to 1 by r square. Find grade r power n, where r vector equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector. Solution. Grade r power n equal to del r power n. Your grade is del r power n. Your del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So del r power n is nothing but I dou by dou x of r power n plus j vector dou by dou y of r power n plus k vector dou by dou z of r power n. That means differentiating this r power n partially with respect to x, we get n r power n minus 1. Already we know the differentiation formula of power rule. X power n, differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, differentiation of r power n is n into r to the power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x plus j vector into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou y plus k vector into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z. Now put dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Now cancel r from r power n minus 1 and the denominator r. So cancel 1 r, we get r power n minus 2. Similarly here itself r power n minus 2, here also we cancel 1 r, we get r power n minus 2. So the common n r power n minus 2 is common, take down, we get x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector, which is equal to n r power n minus 2 into r vector. Hence grade r power n or del r power n equal to n r to the power n minus 2 into r vector.